Hello learners, how are you all? Yes, I can see your smiles. That means you all are fit and fine. Students, in this video, we are going to learn about Novel Wonder Part 8 and the title of this part is The Shift. Before we proceed, let's have a recap of previous two parts. Part 1, the title of which was The First Day Jitters. Yes, you remember about it. That was all about nervousness which Augie was feeling while going to the first day of his school. The next part is why I didn't sit with August the first day of the school. And you very well know by now who this I is. He is Jack. Yes. In this part, we are going to deal about Part 8, The Shift. Students, before I proceed, I would like to ask you a question. क्या लगता है आपको द शिफ्ट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? When we go by the dictionary meaning, it means एक चीज से दूसरी चीज या एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. So what do you think the shift means here? Is it the shift in the attitude or is it the shift in the point of view? So we are going to know more about this. What does this shift means here? There's a very famous quote by Oprah Winfrey that is there in front of you. The smallest change in perspective can transform a life. So बच्चे, एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट, एक छोटा सा हमारा नजरिया that can transform a life. This is what is going to happen in this video as well. Flashback. Before we proceed, थोड़ा सा flashback में जाते हैं because there is some incident which is very important for you all to know. So that incident is August and Jack encountered a group of older kids from another school which was led by Eddie. So while going for a nature excursion, they met another group and their leader was Eddie. Jack tries to stand up to the older kids, but Eddie shoves him to the ground. Actually, they were trying to tease Augie. And Jack, he tried to defend Augie. But what did Eddie do? Eddie, he shoved him to the ground. August intervenes. उस बेचारे ने बहुत कोशिश की so that जो older kids हैं उनसे कह सके please don't do it, please stop it. But Eddie aggressively knocks him down too. But Eddie, he was the leader of the other group. उसने उसे भी गुस्से में आकर knocked him down. So what happened next is Amos. Who is this Amos, बच्चों? This Amos is the classmate of Augie and Jack. He stepped in and he retaliated by ramming Eddie. So he came in and he rammed Eddie. Coming to August and Jack's defense, Jack expresses his gratitude to Amos, Henry and Miles. These are the three kids who intervened and tried to defend both Jack and Augie. Acknowledged their help while Augie also thanked them, but he was nervous while offering them a high five. You know what is high five? Yes, जब हम friends आपस में बहुत happy होते हैं, बहुत excited होते हैं and we want to thank each other, high five. That was what they all did. Augie थोड़ा सा nervous feel कर रहा था, but still he did that. Next, what happened is the narrator notices a significant shift in the school dynamics. What is this shift is? He felt बहुत ज़्यादा attitude जो था बाकी सब classmates का, it was changed to a drastic level. And why was that so? That was just because of the incident which happened because of the 7th graders when they went out. वो जो Eddie and all वाला incident हुआ था, because of that, that shift came. There were rumors about the incident which grew exaggerated. जब कोई भी छोटा सा event या incident होता है, you have heard about the term Chinese whispers? Yes. So that event, that incident also spread like Chinese whispers and jungle fire. So what happened? उसके different versions, उस story के different versions, they were spread एक group से दूसरे group पे. However, the main theme of that story, and what was that main theme? कि the narrator, that is Augie, he was being teased because of his appearance, and Jack stood up for him. Amos, Henry and Miles shielded them. So this is the main thing that was common throughout, though there were different versions of the story. But because of this incident, there was a shift in the nature of their relationships. जो पहले एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते थे, they all became good friends. A point to be highlighted here is they all started calling Augie very beautiful name, that is Little Dude. So now you can make out Augie किस shift की बात कर रहा है. He is talking about the seismic shift, the cosmic shift. Yes, you have heard these terms very well. Coming to the next, Amos becomes popular while Julian, who missed this incident, he was isolated and separated from class now. But that Julian, he still continued to treat the narrator and Jack very poorly. But what happened now is, Augie, the narrator, and Jack, they didn't bother about Julian, whether he is talking to them or not. They didn't bother because now they had many more friends and they had become famous too. So children, there is a food for thought for all of you. That is, कुछ 4 points हैं, they are the highlight or the key points of this part 8, the shift. The first is identity shift. How does a single event redefine who we are? एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट कैसे हमारी लाइफ को रीडिफाइन कर देता है, कैसे उसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देता है, that we need to think about. The another thing is friendship. Friendships, it grows from one stage to another stage. So that also we need to think about. Third thing that is important here is Julian's isolation. Why do you think Julian is still isolated? वो अभी भी friendship क्यों नहीं कर रहा उनसे? There can be any reason. Maybe he doesn't want to be friends with them. Maybe he has that nature. You need to think about it. And last but not the least, it is the theme of bullying and solidarity. Yes, आपको क्या लगता है बच्चे? Is bullying a good thing? Jack and Augie, they were bullied. Why? Augie was bullied because he had some facial deformity, and Jack was bullied because he accompanied Augie. So do you think, is it okay? So before I end this session, I have a question for you, and I want you to ponder about it and do share it with your peers about that. And that question is, have you ever experienced a seismic shift in your lives? If yes, do write about it, and yes, don't forget to share it with your peers and your teachers. Till then, happy learning.